Ever wish you could take back an Instagram invite you sent? Today, I'll show you how to delete those invitation messages you've sent to others, whether it's because you've changed your mind or just want to declutter your inbox. Let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and tap the direct message icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This looks like a paper airplane. Now, scroll through your conversations until you find the person you sent the invite to. It might take a moment to find the correct chat. Once you've located the chat, find the specific invite message you want to delete. Tap and hold down on that individual message. A menu will pop up. A small menu will appear with a few options. Look for the option that says Unsend. Go ahead and tap Unsend. Instagram will then ask to confirm your action. Tap Unsend again to confirm. And just like that, the invite message disappears from your conversation. Keep in mind that the recipient may have already seen the invitation before you unsend it. Congratulations! You've successfully removed an invitation message on Instagram. This quick tip will help you stay organized and in control of your invites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.